Hey, what's up guys, Naji back here with another video. So this time Samsung's latest offering is the Samsung Galaxy A50s, an upgrade to the Samsung Galaxy A50 with newer design and premium camera features. So let's find out if the phone manages to hold its own well in the highly competitive mid-range smartphone or not. So guys, it's Nadri, so without any further delay, let's get right into the video.
Tonight, all I need is your love. Tonight, now all I need.
Solid summer night sky, got me feeling high.
Samsung A50s reflects of the same iridescent rainbow-like effect at the back as the Samsung Galaxy A50 when caught against light. Only this one comes with a prism-like pattern that Samsung likes to call 3D prism design. The phone is available in three different colors, namely the Prism Crush Black, Prism Crush White and Prism Crush Violet. And once again, the phone is a smudge magnet and attracts a lot of unsightly fingerprints all over it. Also, it's easier to get scratches on this device, so it's better to keep a phone case onto it for ruining it. Apart from being prone to smudges, the phone tends to be a bit slippery and is hard to grip overall. And after that, if you flip the A50s to the front, you will notice that Samsung has followed the same slim bezels U-shaped notch design as Samsung Galaxy A50. The U-shaped notch houses a front camera and there's a slight chin at the bottom. The volume rockers and the power button are placed on the right edge. The bottom edge holds a 3.5mm headphone jack, loudspeaker and a USB Type-C charging port. There are also a SIM tray that placed on the left edge of the phone. And also coming to the display, Samsung has managed to fit in 6.4-inch Full HD Plus Infinity U Super AMOLED display, long term I know, with Full HD Plus resolution in the Galaxy A50s. And now coming to the performance part. Second part is performance. Samsung Galaxy A50s comes powered with its own 1.7 GHz octa-core Samsung Exynos 9611, that is a 10 nanometer processor that features 4 cores that is clocked at 2.3 GHz and 4 cores clocked at 1.7 GHz along with Mali G72 integrated GPU. So you're not getting Adreno specs over here. It comes with an option of 4GB RAM plus 128GB storage and 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage. Samsung also had added a game booster tool to the A50s to offer a smooth and lag-free gaming experience. Although the Samsung Galaxy A50s doesn't come powered by a Snapdragon processor, it offers a good enough performance for everyday use. Opening apps and switching through them is quick. However, there were a few hold-ups every now and then. I also observed a lack of fluidity on Samsung Galaxy A50s, but not much that it will hurt the overall user experience. The last, that is the Samsung Galaxy A50's camera performance review. So the Samsung Galaxy A50s packs a 48MP primary camera with an f2.0 aperture, a second 5MP depth camera with f2.2 aperture, and the third 8MP ultra-wide lens. The rear camera setup also comes with autofocus for selfies, and A50s features a 32MP selfie camera on the front with an aperture f2.0. There are also other advanced camera features on the camera app, so I'll be making a dedicated video on that, about that camera app, so stay tuned for that. And you're also getting a dedicated night mode and best shot scene optimizer with 30 presets and super steady video mode in this camera feature. So you're getting all the pro thing in a mid-ranger of a smartphone. And you can also choose the aspect ratio when shooting videos or clicking picture. You can also shoot 4K Ultra HD rear and front videos at different sizes. There's another super steady feature for the rear camera which allows you to shoot decent action videos for your social media story and post the overall quality of the video that is extremely fine. But there's a evident noise that can be spotted in the filmed videos if you're using super steady option. So especially in the case of, as I've told, super steady videos. Other options include AR doodle, filters and beauty, so making a dedicated video on that particular section. So my final verdict is that Samsung Galaxy A50s nearly offers everything you need for a mid-range smartphone. Good looks, good performance and a decent enough camera. Although A50s comes with its own set of hits and misses, it might just be the one of a better mid-ranger Samsung has made till date. Among the tough competition in the highly saturated mid-range segment, Samsung Galaxy A50s does manage to stand out with its combination of powerful enough technology and sound-worthy design.